soft score the banks don't use actually. These are 8 reasons why people fail to get a loan, but yesterday we actually go through, touch a bit. Right? Habitual late payments. Defaulting, of course, if you default, very hard to get loan. But let me give you a trick. For example, let's just say you default with Bank A, a small loan, a car loan, something like that. Don't go and borrow with Bank A anymore. They won't borrow you. Go to Bank B, C, D. Okay? Make sure you clear your loans with Bank A, your bad debts with Bank A, then you go to Bank C, D, E. Your secrets clearly, go to Bank C, D, E. Don't ever go back to Bank A. 10 years down the road, so they will have your record. Maxing out credit card. Maxing out credit card is, a lot of people actually miss this part. Where, if you have a credit card, let's just say a credit card is 10,000. The safe limit to use, because secrets every month they pull the latest one. Okay, according to the 15th of the month, they will pull the latest. Say Echo, is it? I think lower. Today I think my coffee got a bit extra caffeine, so I'm excited a bit. Sorry guys. Okay, so we move on. As I was explaining, the credit card. Let's just say you have an individual with 10,000 credit limit. Okay. What it means by the bank, if you max out the credit card, means it's like 80% of the credit card you use. 80% usage. Okay? So example, you have, who actually here got one credit card only? So you got two, let's just say 20,000. 80% of 20,000 is 60,000. If you have more than 16,000, your outstanding limit, you are considered high risk to the bank. A recommended percentage, it should be less than 60. Okay, so next time, right, if a bank call you to offer you credit card, just take, but pay that 50 ringgit, because you will increase your limit. Okay, imagine you have a next credit card which is 10,000, and you don't use, but your whole overall limit is 16,000 only. 16,000 over 30,000. If you use 16,000, it's still less than 80%. The bank will still approve. And one more thing is, if you have 3 credit cards, don't concentrate everything to one credit card. They may also take note of that one. Because when the credit officer see your application, the easiest to get loan is your unsecured loan. Your credit cards, your cash on call, you call straight away get cash. Personal loan. Please be careful. Because a lot of application, it will signal to the credit that you are in financial distress. Okay? So be careful. And also your installment. Let's just say today I swipe this iPhone. iPhone 11. iPhone 11, you swipe 6,000. Your account has limit 6,000. Hey, how come I pay 400? No, it's 6,000 out of 10,000. Okay? So careful. I want to buy furniture. Careful. No credit history. No credit history here means you got no secret record. No secret record, to the bank you don't exist. To the bank, people who know secret record, they don't exist one. What I suggest to you, if let's just say you are you already graduated, right? First, please get a credit card. Low limit, never mind. The bank look you no up, never mind. Look you very small, never mind. 5,000, that's my first credit card limit, 5,000. Okay? But use and pay consistently. Maybe you can use for groceries, petrol, just to create a record with the bank. I have cases where the bank specifically say, for above 40 years old, if they are clean secrets, we don't want to do, straight away reject. They clean secrets, meaning they don't have any credit record. Straight away reject, 40 years old and above. Don't care how high their salary is, we reject. Because they don't have any record. 40 years old, nothing, everything clean. No credit card, not even a credit card. Okay, so you can just do this. Lack of credit diversity. This one I touched yesterday. You need to have a mix. Don't everything is personal loan, everything is credit card. No. You have the housing loan, credit, car loan, something like that. This one, obvious, having your car repossessed, tarik, and then house auction, sure gone. But it's not easy to get a house auction. That's why, if a word of caution out there, if you already are desperate, or you know anybody who is desperate, right, try to charge the property to the bank. It's not easy to get auction. You charge to Along even faster. Serious, okay? Charge to the bank. The bank not so easy, you auction. Good question. Later we cover. Poor financial relationship, I mean, you don't know how to manage, like sometimes got 1, 0, 1, 0, something like that. These are poor financial relationships. That means you don't know how to manage your loans. Past record. Past record of reject credit applications is very vague. Doesn't mean today you get rejected for a housing loan, next time you apply the same bank, you get rejected. No. Okay? Because the bank has the right not to tell you why they reject you. They don't have to tell you. So next time when you ask your banker why reject, they say, sorry, I also don't know. Don't get angry. Please don't get angry. It's their right when you sign the offer letter, sign the loan application form or whatever it is, you use the app, right? It's their right not to tell you. Okay? So how do you know why you get rejected? Simple only. You don't apply one bank, try to ask other bankers. Is there any way that you can improve? See whether they actually entertain you and help you to advise you. Okay? Don't worry, rejection is very normal. I also get rejected. My own credit card, my own housing loan also got rejected. And then the same bank, after that, give me housing loan after that. Okay? Very normal. Hi everyone, this is Kenny here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that clip and you have benefited from it, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you are watching this on my Facebook page, hit the like button and also share this video wherever you are watching. Thank you so much and I hope to see you again in the next video. This is Kenny here from Problem Solving. Bye bye.